Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious donuts from pancake mix. First, gather your ingredients: pancake mix, milk, and 1 egg. Combine them in a bowl, stirring until a thick, smooth batter forms. It's important that the batter isn't too thin, as this will affect the donut's texture. Aim for a consistency that's easy to handle but still pourable. Once your batter is ready, lightly flour a surface and roll out the dough to about 1/2 inch thick. Use a donut cutter or 2 different sized round cutters to create your donut shapes. Next, prepare your frying station. Heat a neutral oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is crucial for achieving a perfectly cooked donut. Carefully place your shaped donuts into the hot oil, being careful not to overcrowd the pot. Fry them for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Once cooked, remove the donuts with a slotted spoon and place them on a wire rack set over paper towels to drain any excess oil. This helps keep them from getting greasy. Now for the best part, glazing. Whisk together powdered sugar and a small amount of milk to create a simple, sweet glaze. While the donuts are still warm, dip each one into the glaze, ensuring it's fully coated. Let them set for a moment, then they're ready to enjoy. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.